What if your rearview mirror could also record the road, show what's behind you, and replace the need for a separate dashcam? That's exactly what mirror dashcams do. They keep your windshield cleaner, give you a wider view, and pack recording, display, and rear camera features into one setup. In this video, I'm counting down the top 5 mirror dashcams worth considering for your car. Let's get into it. Let's start with the Jansite 10-inch mirror dash cam, our budget pick for this list. If you want dependable coverage without spending a lot, this one's worth a look. This unit replaces your existing mirror with a 10-inch full touchscreen, and adjusting brightness is as simple as swiping left or right. The front camera lens can extend and swivel on its own, so it lines up with the road even when your windshield gets in the way. Recording quality sits at 1080p on both the front and rear cameras with wide viewing angles, 170 degrees up front and 140 degrees in back. Here's the thing that stands out though. The rear camera cable runs almost 20 feet, which solves a common headache during installation. You also get support for up to 128 gigabytes of storage, so loop recording won't run out of room anytime soon. Night driving gets extra help from a Starvis sensor paired with a 6-glass lens and WDR and HDR processing. That means exposure stays balanced even in tunnels or dim parking garages. On top of that, the rear camera uses analog HD tech to keep headlights from blowing out the footage. A few practical touches round out the package. Shift into reverse, and the screen automatically switches to a rear view with guidelines. A G sensor locks footage the moment it detects a collision, which matters if you ever need that footage for insurance. Loop recording keeps overwriting the oldest files automatically, so you never have to think about clearing space yourself. The touchscreen also lets you dim the display while recording, keeps running quietly in the background, which is handy for night drives. Now, this isn't a flawless pick. Night vision performance can be inconsistent, especially on the rear camera when facing oncoming headlights, and there's no companion app since everything saves straight to the SD card. Some drivers have also mentioned occasional glare, but for a first mirror dash cam or a practical upgrade, it still gets the job done. Next up is the Pelsee 4K mirror dash cam, and this one pushes resolution further than most cams in this category. The mirror itself uses a 12-inch full touchscreen with a frameless design that blends in once it's mounted. But the real story here is the camera setup. Both the front and rear cameras record in full 4K UHD, which is rare, since most rear cams in this space top out at 1080p or 2K. The front camera runs on a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, and paired with 170-degree front and 150-degree rear angles, you're covering a lot of ground. Night vision benefits from that same Starvis 2 sensor, delivering color footage instead of the usual grainy black and white. License plates and street signs stay readable even after dark, which is exactly what you want from a dashcam. Smart features add real value too. Lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts come built-in, alongside blind spot detection for extra awareness on the highway. Voice control lets you switch views or start recording without touching the screen. And 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi speeds up file transfers to your phone. A 64GB micro SD card ships in the box, so you're covered from day one. For parking, motion, and impact detection trigger recording automatically, though you'll need a hardwire kit for that to run continuously. On top of that, sudden braking or impact locks the footage automatically, so nothing important gets overwritten before you get a chance to save it. Setup is fairly straightforward too, with a Type-C interface keeping power delivery stable throughout your drive. There are a couple of things worth knowing. The ADAS and blind spot alerts can be a bit inconsistent, and the 12-inch mirror might feel large in smaller cars. A handful of users have also run into app stability issues. Even so, dual 4K recording at this level is hard to find elsewhere. Taking the third spot is the Wolfbox G840S, and it's built for drivers who want a genuinely wide view of the road. The 12-inch curved touchscreen is bigger than a standard mirror, which cuts down on blind spots right away. Split-screen mode lets you watch the front and rear feeds at the same time, and an anti-glare coating keeps the display readable even in direct sunlight. On the camera side, the front lens captures true 4K footage while the rear stays at 1080p, both covering wide angles of 170 and 140 degrees. A 6-glass lens combines with WDR and HDR processing to keep footage sharp at night, so plates and signs stay legible even in dim light. Here's what sets it apart from cheaper options. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi speeds up transfers, and GPS tracking logs your speed and route through an external antenna. The companion app handles playback and sharing without much fuss. A 32GB card comes pre-installed, and you can expand it up to 256 gigabytes if you need more room. For parking, a 24-hour time-lapse mode watches over your car while saving power and storage, though it still needs a hardwire kit to run continuously. Reverse guidelines and automatic collision, locking round out the safety side. Installation stays simple too, since the whole unit mounts over your existing mirror with rubber straps, and the rear camera is waterproof enough to handle exterior mounting in any weather. As for downsides, the rear camera is limited to 1080p. Occasional glare shows up on the display, and GPS performance gets mixed feedback from some users. Still, for the 4K front footage alone, this one is well worth considering. Coming in at number 2 is the REDTIGER T27, and this is where things start to feel genuinely premium. An 11-inch UHD touchscreen anchors the whole unit, running at a sharp 440 by 1920 resolution. Split screen mode shows both cameras at once, and the frameless design clips right over your existing mirror without looking bulky. Camera quality is where this cam really shines. The front records in true 4K, while the rear captures 2.5K footage, noticeably sharper than the 1080p rear cams found on most competitors. A 6-layer glass lens keeps both feeds crisp, and 170-degree front and 150-degree rear angles mean almost nothing slips past unnoticed. Night driving looks just as strong. WDR and HDR processing work together with a high-sensitivity sensor to pull in vivid color even after dark, and glare from oncoming headlights gets noticeably reduced. That's a small detail, but it makes a real difference on long night drives. Parking mode can watch over your car for up to 48 hours, and a supercapacitor replaces the usual battery, so the unit handles extreme temperatures without overheating. The included 32GB card can be swapped for up to 512GB if you record often. Installation is made easier too, with a 21-foot rear camera cable that gives you plenty of slack for routing, and an IP64 waterproof rating that keeps the rear unit protected outside. This cam does skip Wi-Fi and app support, relying on the SD card alone. That's really the only thing worth noting, and it's a fair trade for how well everything else performs. And that brings us to our top pick, the Wolfbox G900 Pro. If you want the best mirror dash cam out there right now, your search ends here. A 12-inch anti-glare touchscreen forms the base of this unit, with a frameless design that clips cleanly over your existing mirror. Split screen mode keeps both camera feeds visible at once, so you always know what's happening front and back. The camera setup is where this cam pulls ahead of everything else on this list. The front camera records true 4K UHD through a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, while the rear captures 2.5K, sharper than the 1080p standard found on cheaper cams. Wide 170-degree front and 150-degree rear angles give you a genuinely complete picture of the road, and H.265 encoding keeps file sizes manageable despite the high resolution. Night vision takes full advantage of that Starvis 2 sensor, pulling in color detail and legible plates even in near total darkness. Add voice control, GPS tracking, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast transfers, and this cam handles almost everything hands-free. Storage won't be a concern either, since a 128GB microSD card ships pre-installed and supports extended 4K recording without constant swapping. Parking mode, reverse guidelines, and automatic collision locking are all here too, covering you whether you're driving or parked. Even the app experience feels polished, letting you pull footage straight to your phone for playback or sharing without digging through an SD card. This is about as complete as a mirror dash cam gets right now, and it earns its spot at number 1 without much argument. Thanks for watching. For more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon so you never miss a video from Tech Insight.